Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I
Nice.
drink coffee every morning. And it's morning for you, right?
It is morning for me, yes. And another question, what do you do in Japan?
No, I feel ashamed to teach everybody that I teach English to kids.
Beautiful. What do you mean? That's amazing.
Yeah, but my English is not it's not perfect, but I need to have confidence that I have a skill to teach English, and English should not be perfect because I'm teaching English to children.
I'm a native speaker and I make mistakes all the time. I really do. My mind goes blank just like everyone else's. It's normal human behavior. We're not perfect.
Thank you. I want to improve my English, but stay in Japan, not improving my English.
Yeah, because of your surroundings, right?
Yes, this is in Japan. We don't use English often, and we don't watch English TV. So it's really difficult for me to improve my English. And I have never studied abroad. I only live in Japan.
Gotcha, gotcha. Teaching kids English is like, it requires
Yes,
a lot of patience.
I am a professional. I change the activity every 3 minutes.
Gotcha, gotcha. What do you think about teaching online compared to like in person?
For me, it's same because I change activity every 3 minutes. So when kids go away, but kids will come back.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?